Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today we are exploring cakes that look like blooming flowers. Get inspired by 15 stunning petal shaped cake styles, perfect for spring, weddings, or any elegant occasion. The first one is classic petal cakes. Timeless classic, this cake mimics a full flower with delicate layers of fondant petals all around. The next is rose petal swirl. This rose petal swirl cakes use buttercream piping with to create a bouquet look, perfect for romantic events. The next is ombre petal cake. Soft white to deep pink. Ombre petal gives this cake a delicate creamy look. The next is five petal flower cake. Unique petal shaped like a blooming flower. This petal mold cake is both fun and fabulous. The next is mini petal cupcake cake. A creative twist cupcakes turn into a large flower, perfect for kids' parties or tea parties. The next is daffodil petal cake. This cake bursts with spring vibes. The daffodil design brings a cheerful touch to any event. The next is ruffled petal texture. Ruffled petals meet into the flowing design, great for bridal showers or boho themes. The next is Sakura blossom cake. Inspired by cherry blossom, this design is beautiful, soft, gentle, and perfect for spring parties. The next is tulip style cake. Tulip vibes, these upright petals wrap the cake like a blooming garden, like a royal touch. The next is floral petal crown cake, like a royal crown made of flowers. This cake made a bold floral statement. The next is buttercream petal cascade. Watch buttercream petals cascade down in layers, elegant and eye-catching. The next is deep red velvet rose cake, bold and romantic. This cake looks like a single rose made entirely of edible petals. The next is petal texture cake, tall cake. For height and texture, this design layers petal all around, elegant for every angle. The next is vintage petal piping. Old school charm, these petal pipes give a soft, romantic vintage vibe. Next is sculpted petal cake topper. Sometimes less is more. Let a single sculpted petal flower shine as your centerpiece. These are all 15 amazing ideas of cake designs, from piped petal to full flower shape. These petal shaped designs are elegant, creative, and full of beauty. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory, and never miss any update. So hit the bell icon and share this video with your fellow cake lovers so they can bake a cake or your favorite cake for your next event or birthday. See you in the next sweet video only on Cakes Factory, where cakes talk a story. Till that, take care of yourself. Goodbye.